friends, welcome back to Viva Yashandalu. The topic of this video is mathematical symbols. This video will show you symbols in a fun and enjoyable way. Mathematical symbols. There are so many symbols in maths, but these are some important symbols. So let's go through them. First one, addition sign or plus sign. Addition is used in two ways. Initially, to identify a number as positive. Any number written with or without plus is called a positive number. For example, plus 5. There is plus sign in front of 5, so it is a positive number. Like this, we identify numbers as positive with the help of addition sign. And second, and more importantly, to add some numbers. For example, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Next one, subtraction sign or minus sign. Similarly, we use minus sign in two ways. First one, to identify a number as negative. Any number written with minus sign is called negative number. For example, minus 3. There is minus symbol in front of 3. So it is a negative number. Like this, we use minus sign to identify numbers as negative. And next, we use minus sign to subtract some numbers. For example, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Multiplication sign. The multiplication sign is used to denote that we are multiplying some numbers. For example, 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30. Division sign. Division sign is written in two ways like shown in the video. This is one symbol of division and another one is this. Division sign is used to denote that we are dividing numbers. For example, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Let us summarize the above four operations as addition. In short form, plus. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Addition gives us a sum. Subtraction or minus. For example, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Subtraction gives us difference. Multiplication or times. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. Multiplication gives us product. Division or divided by. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Division gives us quotient. Equal sign. The equal sign represents equality. For example, 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. These two are equal. So like this we use equal sign to represent equality. Not equal to sign. It is used to show that one value is not equal to another. For example, A not equal to B says that A is not equal to B. And 4 not equal to 9. Less than. The less than sign is one of the inequality signs which is used to compare the number. If the first number is less than the second number, less than sign is used. Example, 3 less than 4. Greater than. Similarly, the greater than is also one of the inequality sign which is used to compare the number. If the first number is greater than the second number, then greater than sign is used. Example, 4 greater than 3. I will tell you a small tip to identify greater than and less than signs easily. If this symbol is in L shape, then it is less than. There is L in less than, okay? If this symbol is in 7 shape, then it is greater than. greater than or equal to. Before we have discussed about greater than and less than symbols, but this is greater than or equal to. If there is dash under the greater than symbol, it is greater than or equal to symbol. Okay. For example, x is greater than or equal to z. Less than or equal to. There is underline under the less than symbol, so it is a less than. For example, z is less than or equal to x. Decimal separator or point. The decimal separator separates a whole number from its fractional part to the right. Example 1.23. We must read the numbers separately which are right side of the point. Percent sign. The percent sign indicates a number or ratio as a fraction of 100%. Example 40%. Root. The root symbol is used to represent the square root of any number. For example, the square root of natural number 3 is represented by root 3. Similarly, the square root of 4 is represented as root 4, that equal to 2. Angle. Angles are formed when two rays intersect at a point. The opening between these rays is called an angle, which is represented by the symbol angle. This is a ray and this is a point. Angles are formed when two rays intersect at a point. The opening between these two rays is called an angle. This is 90 degrees angle because it is in L shape. Therefore, symbol. Therefore, it's just a standard of providing a conclusion to an answer. For example, you have proved that a value k is greater than 5. So, in shortcut, you write, therefore, k is greater than 5. Since. The math symbol since is used to indicate because or since in mathematical proofs. It is often used in formal logic, set theory, and number theory to indicate a logical relationship between two statements or proportions. For example, A equal to B, B equal to C, so A equal to C because A equal to B. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel when they do not meet at any point in a plane. If AB and CD are parallel lines, then it is represented as AB parallel to CD. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are line segments and rays that intersect to form right angles. In the figure, P are perpendicular to QS. The right angle symbol in the figure indicates that the lines are perpendicular. I will upload a video showing how to perform calculations with these symbols. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to Vivash Chandolu and like and share.